We can only eat so many hard-boiled eggs. So if you're trying to find something to do with those leftover Easter eggs, today Howard shows us how to make pimento cheese deviled eggs in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you've been to a church picnic or just about any kind of family get-together in the South, then you're probably familiar with pimento cheese spread. Now, for those of you who aren't, it's simply a cream cheese and mayonnaise-based spread, accented with mustard, chopped pimentos, and cheddar cheese that's good on just about anything. And when we team those flavors with our favorite deviled eggs, you can imagine how good they are. Let me show you how easy they are to make. After hard boiling, cooling, and peeling our eggs, we cut them in half and put the yolks in a food processor. To that, we add a bit of mayo, cream cheese, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, paprika, and of course, the star of this dish, some shredded cheddar cheese and chopped pimentos. Then we give it a whirl. Once everything is smooth, we spoon or pipe this into our egg whites and into the fridge they go. There you have it, two of our all-time favorites in one tasty dish. So with Easter only a week away, make sure you visit our website and get the step-by-step recipe for our pimento cheese deviled eggs. Whether you serve these as an appetizer or right along with your ham, you can't miss. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new traditional way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Those look delicious. Definitely going to try them. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.